everyone, it's Sarah and I am back to film an advent calendar video. I have a couple of different advent calendars. This video is going to feature my Scribble Prints Co advent calendar. It came packaged, I guess it was Scribble Prints Co and Once More with Love, but it came packaged in an album, and then each day you slide out one of the pages and then that is your little surprise. So getting started, the first page was actually kind of a bonus. It wasn't actually the advent calendar, beginning. So each page comes with a journaling card on top and then a surprise hidden behind it. And so you can't really see what the surprises are before you open it, which is nice. So this one has a little munchkin, and she looks super cute with a little bow in her hair. And then on the back we have another munchkin with like the Disney ears. She looks really happy. So that's just a cute little journaling card. And then we have this, and it's just a little bonus. It says, a bonus surprise for you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And then it just has some of those little munchkins, which I'm assuming are like Marg and Andrea, since they are the ones that did the kit. And so this is just kind of a little extra one because I think the albums had 26 pages, and so you only really need 25 for an advent calendar. So then moving on to the official day one, we have this journaling card with this really pretty gold foiled bow, and then it's just blank on the back. And then we have this foiled, I want to say it's like a spring or summer bucket list, and so it's really cute. The theme of the advent calendar, I think, was just kind of a yearly activities. It wasn't like Christmas themed specifically, and so I think there's gonna be stickers to get you through like the whole year, or to go with different seasons. And so this one is just really cute. It is silver foiled. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, or with all the lights, but it's really cute. And then it's on a clear sticker paper, so it'll be perfect for layering over half boxes or whatnot. But I really like this. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this, especially with my niece and nephew, and kind of doing some of these more whimsical or childish activities as well, like flying a kite. So that was day one. Okay, and then for day two, we had this journaling card, which is just really cute with the little munchkin. And then on the back, we have a bow. And then I think this was everything in the pocket. The washi might have been from a different day, but I couldn't figure out what day it would have been from. So I'm just going to say that it's all from the same pocket, and it was just a really loaded pocket. The first thing we have is this little washi, and it just has the little gold foiled flowers on the pink background, and it's a nice skinny, like header sized washi. And then we have these two little pockets, which are really cute. So the first one says stop and smell the flowers, and it has a little munchkin smell on a flower. And then the other one is a little bit smaller. This would be perfect for like Once More with Love sampler. I'm not really sure what else you'd put in the pocket, but it has little green polka dots and then the little Once More with Love bow. So that was everything from day two. Okay, it is time for day three. And the first thing we have is this little journaling card with just a white bow. And then on the back it says, welcome to all the new beginnings, which is really cute. And then, oh, this is so cute. It's a little scribbler sheet. And this is like Scribble Prints Co.'s characters. And so you have like the three different girls doing each of the activities. So some have an umbrella. Trying to see what she's doing. It looks like she's drawing, I think. And then she has like fairy wings on, and then she looks like she might be doing some gardening or something. So very cute springtime activities. So that was day three. Okay, it is time for day four, and this is the journaling card that we got really cute with the little munchkins. And then it says stay focused and extra sparkly, which is really cute. And then look at these super foily munchkins. They are holographic foil, and I'm not sure if it's on a clear sticker paper. I don't think it is, but the paper feels very like glossy, but no, it is white, so very cute. And they're a little bit larger stickers, and so they definitely be more of like a deco sticker in my opinion. But that was day 4. Okay, it is time for day 5, and we have a repeat of the journaling card from yesterday, but it is just the reverse side, which is nice because then you could use it, you know, one side and cover up the other and not feel bad if that's your thing. And then moving on to what we got in today's little pocket was some sticky notes, and these are really cute. They have a little bow at the top, and then it's just a floral pattern, and there's quite a bit, and it looks like it's actually the Post-it brand, so they should be really good. But that was day 5. Now for day 6, we have this journaling card, and then on the back it says "Oh so fresh" with like little fruit doodles, which are really cute. And then we have a mini kit, it looks like. So you have 4 full boxes here. This one says the best time for new beginnings is now. That's really cute. And then you have some little boxes, headers, a couple of checklists, and then some little, oh, whatever you call those, icons. So yeah, that was a really cute little kit. This would be nice for my TN probably. Yeah, this is really cute. Very nice. So that was day 6. It is time for day 7, and we have this really pretty foiled journaling card, and then on the back it is just plain but really cute with the munchkin bow. And then we have, it looks like a summer bucket list, and so this one's in gold, and it has all sorts of like visit a theme park, have a water balloon fight, build sandcastles. These are really cute. I like those a lot. And then I think these are like a nice size for putting in a half box for next year. So love that. And now we're done with the first whole week of the advent calendar. For day 8, we have a repeat of a journaling card. Very cute. And then we have some die cuts. So we have these little flip-flops, a little hat, bicycle, flowers, and then a sun. And these ones are kind of on a, it's kind of almost like a semi-gloss paper. It's nice. So that was day 8. Okay, it is day 9, and we start off with this really cute Summer is a State of Mind little journaling card with all this really cute little munchkin just chilling with a drink and an inner tube. Very cute. And then we have, oh, these are really cute little scribblers. So we have some barbecuing ones. We have, oh, I think she's on a roller coaster. Roller coasters. Then like playing a guitar, and then, oh, these ones kind of look like Girl Scouts, but I think they're like bird watching, or they have their little binoculars. So those are really cute for summer. So that was today's. It's day 10, and we have the same journaling card from yesterday. And then we have this cute little sheet that has little fruit doodles, and it has gold Once More with Love bows, which is really cute, and it says Summer Vibes. It kind of feels like it's on, I don't know, almost like a vinyl paper. It's a different paper than Once More with Love normally uses, but it's really, really cute. So that was day 10, I believe. Okay, it is time for day 11, and we have this really cute like bow journaling card, and then on the back we have the munchkin at the beach, which is really adorable. And then we have a whole bunch of these little die cuts that are in bows, and so it's just pretty much every color under the sun. I mean, it's a very, very nice selection, and I don't know how many there are, but there have to be at least 20 or 30 here. So anyways, that is what we got for day 11. Okay, time for another day. We have this same journaling card as yesterday, and then we have some cute little sticky notes. So it says bright ideas, and then it has these little clouds where you can write on, you know, whatever you're writing on a sticky note. But I think this would be cute if you were doing, I don't know, like your top 3 things that you need to get done, or reminders or things like that. It's definitely kind of a unique sticky note. In terms of you're limited to where you can write, unless you write over, you know, the clouds and off the sides. But still really, really cute. So that was day 12 maybe? Okay, so next up is day 13, I believe. And we have this really pretty journaling card that says, "You will forever be my always," in rose gold, and then the back is blank. And then we're getting into like the fall bucket list. And so we have, you know, stock up on fall candles, bake an apple pie, go apple picking, etc. So very cute. And then that's also in that rose gold. So that was today's calendar. Okay, time to go through the next couple of days of the advent calendar, just because I've been out of town. So the first thing we have here is this really cute little journaling card. And then we have this Fall in Love, the Magic of Every Page, which is really pretty, and it's rose gold foiled, kind of a bookmark. And then we have this, I think it's a vinyl, but it is like a sparkly, if you can see the little silver sparkles, bow. So very cute. And then the day after that, we have same journaling card and some little scribblers, and they're all fall themed. So we have pile of leaves, kind of getting a cold or hay fever. Then we have a pumpkin. I think this one's just wearing some flannel, and then we have with a, you know, cup of coffee. So very cute there. Then the day after that, we had this journaling card, which was very cute. I love this one with a little munchkin. And then we have this little sheet from Once More with Love on that same paper as the previous deco sheets are. It's just a different paper than our normal, kind of a semi-gloss, but very cute with all the different coffees and hot chocolates with bows. It's very cute there. And then same journaling card for today, which is the 17th, so day 17. And we have these really cute sticky notes, which are, you know, very nice. Same brand as before, so very, very good. And that was, you know, catching up on my advent calendar until tomorrow. Okay, time for day 18. We have this cute little sweater weather journaling card, and then on the back you have the cute little munchkin sledding down a hill, which is adorable. And then as for today's item, we have this, I'm assuming it's like a patch, because it's kind of, you know, like a threaded material, and then it has a sticky part on the back. Not really sure how I'm going to use it, but it is really, really pretty, or, you know, cute with the little munchkin on it. So that was day 18. Okay, it is day, oh gosh, 18, 19, and we have this really beautiful journaling card with this gorgeous hollow foil that says, "Do you want to build a snowman?" And then we have our winter foiled bucket list, which is very beautiful in the silver foil. You know, snow tubing, all day PJs, snowball fight, etc. But very, very cute. Okay, it is day 20, and today we have this really cute journaling card. I think this was the one from yesterday. And then we have the sweater weather on the back, or maybe it wasn't from yesterday, but like a couple days ago. And then we have this really cute foiled washi card, so you know, you can kind of wrap up the foil, take it, or foil, you can wrap up some washi and take it with you, you know, if you're traveling or if you want something cute in the front of your you know, planner for decoration. So it's very, very cute. Okay, for day 21 we have this journaling card, and then with the munchkins on the back, it says, "It's not in the stars to hold us to our destiny, but in ourselves." And then we have another scribbler sheet. So this one is the winter themed. So we have like a snowball fight, building a snowman, drinking hot cocoa, and then just like with the cold breath, you know, coming out of their mouth. So very cute there. Alright, it is day 22, and we have the same journaling card from yesterday, and then we have this cute deco sheet that has some like munchkin snowmen and other holiday wintry deco, so very nice there with the gold foil. Alright, day 23, we have this Baby It's Cold Outside journaling card, and then the other side says the most wonderful time of the year. And then we have, oh, these are really cute. They're just little bows, and it's the Scribble Prints bow and the Munchkin Once More with Love bow. And you could just kind of layer them in a corner, and that would look really pretty. And they're in the silver foil. So that was day 23, and we're almost done. Day 24, and we have the same journaling card as yesterday. And we have these cute little sticky notes that say the most wonderful time of the year, and then they have just like a whited out heart for you to write in your note. And it's the last day, and we have this little journaling card with the gold foiled bows. And then we have a washi, and this one is really pretty. It has little snowflakes along it, and it's, you know, kind of a smaller size washi. Thinking back, I'm like, maybe the pink washi from that I had on like day 2 or 3 or whatever, maybe it was supposed to go with this one, because yeah, maybe it just fell out of the little spot. But that was the Scribble Prints Co. Advent Calendar, or in Once More with Love. I was gonna say, all in all, it wasn't bad. I think I would have liked it if the wintry days, if winter started first. Just because I feel like some of the stuff I probably could have pulled in, you know, throughout the month of December. I can still use it for January and beyond, but I don't know, I feel like there's a couple of things that I'm like, oh, you know, would have been nice to have that kind of at the beginning of the album, and then going into spring, summer, fall. But all in all, really liked it. I kind of wish there were more. I was expecting like there to be more Munchkin deco sheets, you know, like sheets of normal Munchkins. They did have like the deco with the gold foil, but I think that's gonna be harder to pull into spreads than just like a cute little Munchkin, you know, like throwing a snowball or something like that. But yeah, all in all, liked it. Don't know if I'll order again next year if they do one, you know, because there's some things that I probably won't get as much use out of, but all in all, it was fun to open it up every day and, you know, kind of see what surprise awaited. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll just catch you in my next video. Bye now.